Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a puffer jacket. There are two ways to fill the jacket, and I'll also show you how to make a quilted jacket. Make sure to watch until the end because there are some hidden tips throughout the video. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we'll create an internal line on the jacket pattern. I set the distance to 4 inches and used 5 lines. You can adjust the internal lines to match your jacket length. This is a new function in CLO. There's a fill feature here. Select it, then choose the pattern you want to fill. You'll see a purple duplicate pattern, which you can place anywhere in the 2D window. Do the same for the right side pattern. In the options, you'll find some details. You can select the filler, duck, or goose with different percentages. Choose the type you want and set the weight. If you set a higher weight, it'll be heavier and the fabric will sag. I'll set mine to 200 and check the result later. Here is where you set the quilting distance by inches. Remember when we made the internal lines earlier? You can also refer to the guide on the CLO 3D website for more details. It says to enter the quilting distance, which affects how much volume your design will have. The volume is calculated based on the quilting distance and weight. If your lines aren't evenly spaced or straight, the function won't work properly, so you may need to do it manually. Since we know our lines are evenly spaced, we'll just input the correct distance. Mine is 4 inches. Then simulate it. If the fabric gets stuck, you can simply pull the outer pattern and simulate it again. You can also turn on the realistic quilting line function, which makes it look more realistic when rendered. Now, I'll show you the difference between using this fill function and doing it manually. When you use the fill function, it fills automatically and you can't adjust the filler. If you want more or less volume, you'll need to do it manually. So, I'll delete the filled duplicate pattern, copy and paste manually. Then, sew all the pattern outlines with the internal lines and simulate. Select the outer pattern first. Go to the property editor, set the layer to 1, and set the pressure to 30. Next, select the under pattern and set the pressure to -30. Then simulate again. Looks puffier, right? You can adjust the pressure to your preference. When proceeding manually, you'll notice that the bottom pattern decreases in volume while the outer pattern has increased volume. You can see the difference between using the fill function and doing it manually. You can also do the same when making a quilted jacket. I have a jacket here, and I'll make rounded quilting lines and apply them. When creating round internal lines, there will be multiple points. Select and join overlapping points first, then merge them by converting them to curve points. This makes it easier to create a smooth quilt line. You can change the fabric and improve your puffer jacket. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!